Hi guys, I've received the SP Connect phone clamp system. I chose this over the quad lock because I wanted a mounting system that doesn't sort of jut out of the handlebars and is low profile. So this is the main component that I was looking for, which just goes onto the stem. And hopefully it will work as I want it to, being low profile and not having an extra metal coming out of the handlebars. As of to date, they don't have the phone case for my Samsung FE20, so I've just decided to get the universal phone clamp, which can clamp to the width of around 85, I think it's 85 millimeters. So that should cover the Samsung and my other phone. And then I got this one as well for rainy days, I guess. So we'll see which works best. Let's open that one. So for the micro system mount, what comes with it is you have your cap, you have your screw, and you have a hex wrench. That's pretty straightforward. We'll install that later on. What we can find on the universal clamp and just the clamp itself. When you want to put your phone in, you have to pull up this button, whatever you want to call it, and you can adjust it like so you could maximize it, and you can put your phone in. I mean, I could put my phone in with the phone case on this one here, and what you do is you twist this down, so you tighten it, then you push it down so that it will be locked. And for the cover or the poncho, it'll be easier. So that's just the poncho itself. I have to read what's all this. For the weather case, I think it's better if we take this off, so it'll be easier to put it in and take it out. And just slides in like so, and to secure it, you roll these down like one of those waterproof bags that you use for camping, and it's actually usable on the screen itself. Yeah, so it's pretty functional. It's got plastic screen if you want to take videos, photos, or use your the light in the back of your phone. I'm not sure how good it'll take with this plastic on, but we'll see. As a conclusion, I was out this afternoon and trying these two SP phone products out, and all I can say, I'm pretty much impressed. They did what they needed to do. The phones were pretty stable. I think I might go as a daily use on this universal clamp here. It's pretty good because you could adjust it. Depends on how you want to view it. And with the Poncho, what I did is that because this part here, when you close it up, the phone, my Samsung phone, ends up only up to this point here, so it would shake up and down. So what I did is that I inserted a piece of foam there so that it will occupy that dead space and the phone will stay still. So, but yeah, rainy days, this would be the go. SP products, yeah, very good, happy with that.